Okay, tonight we're going to do a disassemble and clean of CZ912 shotgun. First thing you do is make sure your shotgun's empty. Nothing there, nothing there. Okay, start off, remove your end cap, your magazine cap, like that. Set it aside. Remove your forend. Now your gas valve is inside here, and I usually hold on to the gas valve and pull the barrel off. Set that down for a minute. Now, O-ring that everybody dislikes is right inside here. Right at the front. I've had no problem with it, so I don't know what the big deal is. Next, take your gas valve off. Set it aside. Now the next thing you're going to want to do is pull your bolt handle out. Now on the internet I've seen where people say that the bolt handle falls out. Well, that's pretty impossible because I've got my little padded pliers and the bolt handle will not come out. You have to line up a small notch, and I'll bring it closer later, with the bolt. And you can see it's not real easy to do. And the bolt handle comes out. Now, you're going to want to remove the bolt and everything. Turn the gun upside down. Slide forward. Action bar. And your bolt handle. And here's the little notch I was talking about. As you can see, there's a small notch there. You line it up with the hole. The bolt goes in, the bolt comes out. Real easy. This is your two-piece bolt. The next thing is your 3-shot plug limiter, which pours right out. That's it right there. Now, if you want, you can take your magazine spring out. I use my little drift pin. Press, there's some little tabs in there. Press it in and pull up on one side. And now this spring is under tension, so when you press this side, you want to hold on to your spring. Pull it out. Set that aside. Shelf plunger. Now, you're going to want to take out your trigger group. Use a little hammer, hard on one side, rubber on the other. A little drift pin. Got a single pin that holds it in. Tap that. I use my padded pliers. Pull your pin out. Your trigger group will come right out. There's your trigger group. Okay, inside is your recoil spring in the butt of the gun. We're not going to take that out. So now you've got everything. You're down to the parts of the shotgun. Got a picture of that? Mm-hmm. Okay. Now, to clean it, I use 4/0 steel wool. Got my padded pliers, toothbrush, my drift pin, my hammer, CLP, aerosol CLP, aerosol, nitro powder solvent, and Ezox Premium Gun Care, and a can of air. And my wife was nice enough to bring me these from, got a nice little bristle on the end, nice long handle, great for doing what I'm going to show you about doing. Okay, inside the gun, what I normally do, take my can of spray, spray it out, wipe it, and mine's pretty clean. But now you take your little brush, your CLP, put just a dribble on your brush. Now, inside here you have the rails that these bars run on. This brush is fantastic for putting your CLP in these rails. Can you see it? Mm-hmm. You got one on that side, and you've got one on that side. You can reach all the way back to the gun with this little tool here. That's basically all the lube I put on there. Now to clean the mag tube. 4-ounce steel wool, spray a little solvent on it, clean that off. I take, and I just get my finger wet. Rub it around. Very lightly. Very lightly. That's done. Now you will clean your bolt off, which I already did, but you can do that. And this part of the bolt, clean that off. Inside here, I use nitro powder solvent, rag. Huh?
We just stopped.
You quit? That's as long as you can go.
It's going.
And you clean out your gas valve, same way, nitro powder solvent. Inside here, I use nitro powder solvent, clean that all out. Then I take my little and scrape out gas valves, gas ports, excuse me. Trigger group. A little shot of air. I use Ezox on mine, you can use CLP. Light, very light. Dry it all off. Trigger group's done. Clean your barrel. Mine's already clean. Done the gas valve, the bolt. Now we're ready to put it back together. The first thing we'll do is drop in there. Put our magazine spring back in. Got your 2 little notches. You bring it down. Squeeze them together. Push it in until it clicks. Got that in. Now you're going to want to put your bolt in. Like that. Get a bar here and a notch inside here. Right there. That goes in there. Again, gun upside down. Now you want to make sure that bar goes in the little tongue inside there. That's your recoil. Now you want to put your bolt handle back in. Line up your little holes. Push the bolt handle back in. Now, you're ready. Put your gas valve on. That drops on. Put in your trigger group. You're going to want to press your release button. Trigger group drops in. Push it back. Press that in again. Line the holes up. Tap in. Now use the rubber side. Your pin. Now, put your 3-shot limiter back in, which I leave out, but just to show you. Put your barrel on. Put your barrel on. Put your magazine cap on. There you have it. Now I like to take some snap caps. Lock the gun open. Close it. Put the snap caps in. Safety off. There you have it, how to disassemble clean CZ912 shotgun. That there will keep it running for quite a long time, and once a year I take the trigger group apart, take the buttstock off, and take the recoil spring out, but we'll leave that for another video, since this is all you need to keep this gun running for a long time. Okay, that's it. Thank you.